Hey guys, what is up? So today I am playing Dennis's new game, which is called Superhero Simulator. He just made a video about it. So, I'm not gonna go to details about this game. So if you want to know the details, just go to Dennis's channel and, okay. Just go to Dennis's channel and, see what do you have to do and whatever is in it. So right now I am at the top of the like the player, like where the players are, if you can see on the top right corner. So I have 24 billion. I've played this game for 2 days, okay? And I have, just done so much. So I have every place, every area or zone unlocked. So I'm just gonna let you go through it so that you are aware of what's coming for you. So the cities rates, everybody's seen it. So let's start by the prison. So here are prisoners. So the prisoners are, they are more, So, they have more health than, the criminals. So it just goes on and on. So their health becomes more stronger and stronger. So this is the prison area. There's the boss. The boss has 200 health, and the prisoners have 40. So let's go to the graveyard. So I don't remember how much money they cost because I've got them. And I forgot their price, so sorry. And these are the ghosts. So the normal ghosts are 250. They're just 250, and the ghost boss has 1,250. So I can still beat him. That's it. Okay, so this is like the cemetery or the graveyard, whatever. So there are just ghosts around here, and I don't know how you can punch ghosts. You cannot even see them. But this is a game. So, let's go to the war zone. This is the war zone where there are soldiers. The normal soldiers have 1,250. And the bosses have 6,000 something, right? Oh, there's the boss. Let's see. Yeah, 6,000. Yep. So right now, you can also upgrade your abilities. So my Hulk punch is at level 5, which is max. So that's why I can kill them by just one punch. That's it. I don't like Hulk smash that much. So I'm just gonna go with the punch. And this is it, yeah. You just have to do whatever you did in the last levels. This is gonna get harder and harder, so you need more heroes. This is the last hero. There's also Dennis and Thanos, but they require Robux. If you have enough Robux, then you can buy it. I don't. So I just leave it, and I'm happy with Hulk. So right now we're in the skyscrapers. Skyscrapers, these are just, and there's nothing down there. If you go down there, you're dying. So this is the SWAT, where the SWATs are. So the normal people here are 5,000. And let me check the bosses. I don't remember. Let's check how much the bosses are. The bosses are 25,000. Wow. But I can still do them. Yep, that's it. So, this level is a little boring because it has not much. All you gotta do is just move front and, yeah, not like the others. This is like the odd one because it has nothing to do and you have to just go straight and just kill people. So this one is a little boring, but then comes the evil laboratory. So here the normal people are 25,000. And the bosses are 125,000. So, yep. That's how it's done. So yeah, so this is the place, and you just have to like kill him like every level. So you have to just gather more and more money so that you can open more levels. And so right now, Dennis said that Planet Smoop is the last one, but there are more zones coming, so I'm waiting because I don't know what to do. I just made this video so that I can let you guys know what's coming in front of you and you guys stay aware. Yeah, so this is the evil laboratory. And then comes the battleship. This is the battleship. So here the pilots are 150,000 and the bosses are 750,000. Still. So this level is pretty hard and you just have to gather some money. So that's all. This is a little boring too. And then comes the airplane. So in here there are hostess. So the normal hostess are 500,000 in health, and the bosses are let me check. I just can't remember. The hostess bosses are, wow, that's a lot, like 250,000. Wow. So for that you just need to gather, just upgrade your hero's ability and all that. And this is pretty much it. And then comes Candyland. So Candyland is supposed to be a happy place, but not in this game, because there are candy monsters which have, I don't know, like 1,000 something, I don't know, bro. Oh, what's this hostess doing here? There are so many glitches, like even this hostess in here. Wow. And then there are the bosses which have uncountable health. Uncountable. Can you count that? No. Even I don't know how to count that, because that's really hard. So then comes Apocalypse. So in here this is zombie apocalypse, and you just have to kill the zombies, gather some money, get a backpack, new superhero, everything, and then you have to gather 2 billion to get to Planet Smooth. I don't know, but there would be a really less chance that you guys have been here. But I have, and I am showing you over here, like what's... Okay, let's do the PvP round. I just killed him by one shot. Oh! What? Oh, it may be Superman. Okay. I don't know what this guy's saying. Is he talking to me? Leave it. Let's just go back to Planet Smoop. Oh, yeah. So in here, the Smoops are really strong. So you need to upgrade your abilities to beat them. So you see in here, beating just like a normal person is really hard. Oh. Beating a normal person is really hard. So, because their health is so much, but I guess it's a little easy for the ones who have level 5 on their abilities. And if you even have level 5 on your ability, beating the Smoopian boss is really hard. But it does not take that much time than it usually does if you have level 0 on your abilities. Oh, I'm killing the Smoop, not the Smoopian boss. Hey, get me out of here. Stop. Hey. Oh, the Smoopian boss is really... Yeah, you see? It's a little bit easy, but it's still hard. So, and then there's nothing, it's just this, and then there is written coming soon. So that's what I'm waiting for, and like if you see over here, it says new updates weekly right over here. So, and it just, you know, it will just get updated and more zones will come and we get to play. So, that's what I'm looking forward to. And yeah, that's like what I want to do. And because this game is like, when it was launched, Dennis did not even told about this game, and then it was still popular. So yeah, that's all. And comment down below on which level, on which zone are you, and yeah, on which is your superhero and stuff. And yeah. Oh, there's another guy over here. Hello, we're twins. Wow. Because this is like this backpack, and after this backpack there's a gold backpack, which you have to give Robux, like tons of Robux. So just leave it, and this is the last backpack, which you can get by this game's currency. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to say goodbye, and if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. And tell your family, friends about this channel, your family, your cousins, and everything. Everybody you know. So, this video was just made so that you would know what this game is in the front, like if you go more further. So now you know, now you're aware of what's in front of you and what's not. So yeah, if you like this video, smash the like button, and yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.